Hey, you still using a clunky vacuum with a cord? Stop! It's 2025. Here are 5 cordless vacuums you'll actually enjoy using. Levoit LVAC 200, best budget pick. Lightweight anti-tangle brush and 50 minutes of runtime. Affordable doesn't mean wake. Bissell Clean View XR Pet Hair Slayer. Tangle-free, super powerful, and supports the Bissell Pet Foundation. Clean house, clean conscience. Dyson V8 Plus, bestseller for a reason. Switches to handheld, detangles hair while cleaning, and runs up to 40 minutes. Dyson's still got it. Shark Detect Pro, best smart features. It detects dirt and boosts power automatically. Plus, HEPA filters equals allergy-friendly. Dyson Vim 11, the Innovation King. LCD screen, 3 power modes, and 60 minutes of runtime. Smart, strong, and kinda futuristic. Which one's your pick? Drop a comment.